So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and get ChatGPT, but the 4.0 model. Now, if you're trying to do this, you're basically going to go through and have to understand that in order to get the 4.0 model, you're pretty much going to have to get ChatGPT plus. Now, if you're going to go through and if you're going to go through with it, the main way you can go and do this is by going through and installing ChatGPT. And then once you're in ChatGPT, if you already have the plus model, if you don't already have it, you're going to have to click over here. You're going to have to get into your account panel. And under subscription, either you can click on subscription or you can click on Get ChatGPT Plus. And you're going to have to go through and upgrade to the Plus plan. If you don't do it, then you're not going to be able to do this. You can see right here, it gives you early access to ChatGPT 4.5, but you're going to be able to use 4.0 model by default. Then when you go through and do that, after you're going through and upgrading, you can go through and go back into your ChatGPT model, and then you can go through and there should be an option up here to change your model. So you should be able to click up here, and you should be able to go through and change your model by default, and that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. So upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, and then you should be able to do that. Now there's some cases where you might be able to use it within the free model, so you might want to see if you're able to go through and check that out because there might be a chance you might be able to do it. And if you have access through your API or through their API, you might be able to go through and find it via your phone as well. So you might be able to get access to that API and kind of modify some things there. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.